Hey guys, today we are catching fish and looks like we caught a big one.
Okay. Now we have to clean out the fish, of course. This is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish.
So after I posted a video on how to create Bible story with Veo3, right? One of you guys commented on the video, and this person said, make this trending one Bigfoot vlog. All right, so I decided to make this video for you guys. And for the person that recommended this, all right, this is the video that you said I should make. All right, basically there is this video trending on TikTok, Bigfoot is vlogging, and this video is getting a couple of views, like millions of views, and a lot of people actually want to learn how these guys are doing this, right? And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how they do it with Veo3. In my previous video I explained how to create an account, right, and also how to use this platform for free for the next 30 days. So it's important for you to go and watch that video because I'm going to be putting the link in the description. So I'll just carry you along on this one, but I would like to go straight to what we want to do today, right? So basically, if you don't really know this platform and how to get this platform, what you need to do is to come to your Google. When you come to your Google, you just need to write Veo3, right? You can see right on the screen, right, Veo3, and make sure that you select this particular one, this deepmind.google. There are, when you search Veo3, you will see a couple of results, but this particular one, Google DeepMind, that's the one you will select, right? Let's select it. So when you select it, right, it will come out like this, right? But what we are going to be using is try in flow. There's also try in Germany, but this try in flow is the one that we are going to be using. So all you need to do is just to tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will bring you to this particular phase where they are going to tell you create with flow, right? So all you need to do is just to tap on create with flow, and it is going to tell you to go and log in. They will bring out a place you are going to be putting your Gmail, and when you put your Gmail, they are also going to show you a lineup, right, where you are going to be subscribing. And once you click on that subscribe, they are going to tell you to get the pro, and once you click on that get the pro, the next thing you are going to see definitely is a place where you are going to put your card details, for you to be able to use the platform for free for 1 month, right? And after the 1 month, they are going to charge your card automatically. So in the previous video I actually explained this, so that's why it's important for you to go and watch that particular video. The link is in the description. All right, so let's go straight to the point, right? So let me say, for instance, that you have login, right? It will bring up like this, but all these things, right, we are seeing here are my project, right? And this my pro, and when you are new and you just created an account, you are not going to have all this. So for you to actually start generating this thing, you just need to come and click on this new project right here. So once you tap on the new project, right, then when it comes like this, you are going to see this test to video. All right, once you tap on it, you also see frame to video. Like if you want to use a picture to actually generate a video, like some people actually put in an image with a car that is parked, and it's going to make that car to move. They are generating a lot of videos with image, and there is also ingredient to video. But what we are going to be using basically is text to video, right? So and also there is this right hand side right here where you are going to see setting. All you just need to do is to tap on it, and you will see this output per prompt, right? And it's important for you to select one, and also you will see the model, and in this model you will see VO2 fast. This VO2 fast is very fast, but most times you will not have audio, and also the quality is actually low. And you can see VO3 fast video, better audio, understand, that one is okay. And you can see the VO2 quality, and also VO3 quality, better video. So this last one is the one you select, better audio. This one is what you select, the last one, because it has the high quality video, and also the audio is a better audio. All right, so this is exactly how to do it. And the next thing you need to do is just to come down right here that you see generate video, and you just need to come and put in your prompt. Understand? So but basically in this particular video we are looking into how to generate the Bigfoot vlog, right? As you can see right here, let me show you guys.
Hey guys, today we are catching fish, and it looks like we caught a big one.
So actually, let me play it in full so that you get to see how it looked like.
Hey guys, today we are catching fish, and it looks like we caught a big one.
So the first thing you need to actually understand when you want to make this particular video is that you need to have your script. Understand? You need to understand what you actually want. You know, if you want the Bigfoot to be moving around the bush with like depending on your script what you want it to do. But this particular one, I just generated the Bigfoot with the fish, you know, when he caught the fish, you know, and also when he was preparing the fish and when he was eating the fish. Right, so and you are going to see it how I generated it. So when it comes to the prompt, you need to be very clear when you are putting in the prompt. So first you need to do is to describe the character, which is the Bigfoot, and secondly you need to describe the place, which is where he is, and the things that you want he to be in that particular place. Because if you don't describe that, they are not going to generate it exactly how you want. So whatever you want them to do for you, you just need to describe it in your prompt. As you can see in this particular one, you can see what I wrote is Bigfoot holding a fish, a selfie camera angle, shoot from extended arm perspective, dense forest. Then he says, "Hey guys, today we are catching a fish. Look like we caught a big one." As you know, you've already watched it, and this is exactly what they generated for us. So the second one, right? What are the prompt I used? Basically, is that I wrote Bigfoot sitting at campfire with a fish in his hand, vlogging camera. He cut the fish open and gulls it and places it on top of the stone that is on the top of the campfire, dense forest. Then he said, "We have to clean out the fish, of course." Right? So this is exactly the prompt, and you shouldn't worry if you actually need this prompt that I use in this video. I'm going to put it in the description as well. So let's watch what this actually generated.
Okay. Now we have to clean out the fish, of course.
So you can see, very simple. So then, you know, due to because basically I needed another scene when he is actually trying to put some flavor in the fish, you know. So and I wanted the background to be as the same as this one, so that two of them will have the same background, right? I did something. So I just need to show you guys how I did that. And one of the disadvantage of that, which I tried it several times and I couldn't get the perfect result, is that when you actually do it, you know, when you add extended scene, you know, most times it will generate everything perfectly, even the scene that you want perfectly, but most times there won't be audio, right? So basically, if you want to this particular background to be the same thing, you understand, when you are generating the next one, all you need to do is to click on this add to scene, and once you tap add to scene, you just need to come this line, you just need to place it right here. So when you place it right here, you can see this cross up here. Can you see this cross? You just need to place this thing on it, and you will see this save as asset. When you save it as an asset, you are telling the AI to generate the next video with the same background. So what you need to do is just to tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you are going to this thing is going to upload, is going to load, and you are going to see it. Once it loads, you just need to select it like this and come right here and put your prompt. And once you put your prompt, immediately just click on generate, and you are going to generate what you want to generate. right? So I've explained this is exactly how to get the same background, but the only challenge I have is that the most ones I generated didn't come with audio. I tried it over and over and even begged them to make it talk, but it didn't talk, and I'm going to show you guys. So let's get back in. I've explained the prompt for the first scene, and this particular scene right here. Okay, here is the prompt I used. I said, Bigfoot sitting at campfire with a fish on top of the stone. He squeezes a lemon above the fish, dense forest, which is the place he is, right? Then he says, this will enhance the flavor, right? So, you remember I told you guys right now because I wanted this particular background to be the same thing right here, right? Then I now did that thing, but it didn't come out with audio. All right, let me play so that you guys see. So basically, you'll be wondering, yeah, it came out with audio. No, the audio I'm talking about is what I wanted him to say. If you can remember in this prompt, right? If you can remember, I told him, or he says, this will enhance the flavor. You understand? So that's what I told him to actually generate, but they generated it and he didn't say anything. I thought maybe it was just because they forgot. So I decided to actually do it the same way in order to get the same background. And this particular one, what I wanted is when the Bigfoot is already eating the fish. The other part he was preparing the fish, but I wanted where he's eating the fish. So now I put this prompt: Bigfoot start eating the cooked fish with his hand in the dense forest. He says, this is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish. All right, so let me play it. You remember I told the AI that Bigfoot is supposed to say, this is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish. But at the end of the day, like, it was just the sound when he was eating the fish. All right. So what I'm trying to make you understand is that me trying that 2 times, what it tells me is that when you do it that way, basically most times you will not get a sound. And when you keep trying it, there is what they call credit in this platform. When you keep trying it and you elapse your credit, you won't be able to generate more until you buy more credit, right? So due to because of that, I wouldn't want to keep trying and be wasting my credit. So because of that, and I had to generate another one that is different from the background. But if you are doing a vlog video, understand, and if something like this happen, you can also manage what you have. But the only thing is that you need to generate to get the one that is close to what you really want. All right. So because this is AI is not 100% perfect, but you can actually try out. So what I did right here is that I came again and I wrote, Bigfoot sitting at campfire start eating the cooked fish with his hand in the dense forest, vlogging camera. You remember in the other scene, there was a vlogging camera. So I wanted them to put the vlogging camera, right? So please, I want him to say this. This is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish. Okay, let's see what they generated. Now let me play it.
This is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish. This is...
As you can see, he said something, right? This is because I generated outside the other part, trying to make the background to be the same. So when it comes like this and you're trying to do it that way and you're not getting the sound, right? You just need to do it this way. And you can see, even though this particular one is a bit darker, right? You can see this particular one is a bit darker, but at least it's something I can manage in this my vlog. All right. So what I did again is that because I in this particular one I said, please, I want him to say this. Understand? So I now went back and trying using that other background again. Then you know what I did? I said, let me try using the same prompt that I used on the other one that he talked. to let me know if he will also talk. Then I wrote, Bigfoot sitting at campfire, start eating the cooked fish with his hand in the dense forest. All right, vlogging camera. Please, I want him to say this is tasty, nothing like a fresh fish. Right. So let me play for you guys what they generated. Right. Again, there is no sound. Understand? It's only the sound that is coming out when he's eating. Right? That's what came out. So, like, why I'm trying to explain all this, right, is that just in case that you want to actually do this vlogging, this particular vlogging, even aside of this or any other vlogging, I will advise you to actually generate all your clips separate. Just like when I did that Bible story, I generated everything to separate, and I didn't encounter this challenge, right? So you just need to write everything out and generate it separate. And when you generate it separate, the next thing you need to do is for you to actually head to CapCut and import all the clips inside and arrange them and export. It's much easier, and also is more better, because even if you import it on CapCut, you can also use this thing, transitions and all those things on the video to make it more better. But if you want to actually do everything inside here without going to CapCut, this is what you are going to do. All right. So all you need to do is just to click on this add to scene. You just need to put this line right here and come and generate the next video, right? And also when you, after generating the next video, you still generate another video. Just keep doing it like that. Then what you need to do is, for after you've done that, you just come and click on this download right here and download, and all the video is going to be compiled together. But the challenge that you might have is actually the sound. You might not be able, when you tell them to say something, they might not say, just like what I just explained in this video. That's the reason why I will advise you that if you are generating this, I will advise you to do it one after the other. But I know some of you might be wondering, after watching this video, you don't even show us how you generated it. I'm going to put in another prompt and generate something so that you guys see. So basically, I'm going to use this particular prompt. I'm going to write Bigfoot. So for me to generate this, the prompt I use is Bigfoot and a white Yeti sitting at campfire with a fish on top of a stone that is on top of the campfire. Dense forest. Bigfoot says, "It is great to finally have a friend here." Then the white Yeti says, "Yes, man, it was getting lonely in them icy mountains." So let's generate. Firstly, you need to come right here and make sure that it is on Veo3. And as you can see right here, I'm out of credit. Just like I said earlier, that if you don't use your credit carefully, you will not be able to generate anymore. So because of that, I'm going to be using this beta audio. Use Veo3 fast and beta audio. So let's know if it's going to have an audio, because I can't use the last one anymore because of my credit. My credit has finished, right? I don't need to pay for more credit. All right, so let's do it. So what we need to do is just to click on this place. If you want to generate, then boom, as you can see right here, is generating. So this is exactly how you get to generate this. If you watch the previous video, you see I made everything practical right there. So this is exactly how you get to generate them. After generating them, then you just push it to CapCut and match the video and arrange it the way you want, then export, and you've gotten this, right? I know a lot of people, you all know how to use CapCut and it's easy, but if you don't know how to use CapCut, you can tell me in the comment section, and I have a couple of videos I made on how to use CapCut. Then I'll send you the link so that you can watch the video. So let's wait and see what we have right here. So guys, we have finished generating this. So you can see right here, here is what we have. So let me play it, right?
It's great to finally have a friend here. Yes, man, it was getting lonely in them icy mountains.
It's great to finally have a friend here.
Yes, man, it was getting lonely in them icy mountains.
So you can see this exactly, and you can see what I've generated. So this is just the way you just keep generating them one after the other, then go to CapCut to actually compile all of them, and it is. So this is exactly how to do it, guys. The light is back. So if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazzy, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if there's anything you want me to make video on, just tell me in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you, and I'm going to be creating the video, right? So, and if you're new in this channel, I urge you to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? So thank you, and see you in my next video.